Have you ever felt that gut-wrenching fear when considering an investment in real estate? What if you overpay for a fixer-upper, pouring your hard-earned cash into a project that might leave you with more headaches than profits? The stakes are high in the world of fix-and-flip properties, but fear not. Understanding how to accurately evaluate the after-repair value, or ARV, can turn that anxiety into confidence. We are GrowthSense.com. We built a platform that allows investors to buy, sell, and invest in real estate properties of all kinds, in all shapes, and in all conditions. With the right strategies, you can navigate this complex landscape and make informed decisions that maximize your investments. Let's get into the essential tips for evaluating ARV like a pro. Number 1. Conduct a thorough comparative market analysis. This is your first step to understand what similar properties in your neighborhood have sold for recently. Look for homes that closely match yours in size and condition after renovations. Adjust for differences. If a comparable has an extra bedroom or a larger yard, factor that into your evaluation. Knowing the local market trends will help you establish a solid baseline for your property's value. Number 2, accurately estimate renovation costs. You need to get detailed estimates from contractors and gather multiple quotes to ensure accuracy. Don't forget to consider all renovation aspects: materials, labor, and those pesky unexpected expenses. Adding a contingency budget of about 10 to 15% can save you from financial strain down the line. Trust me, I learned this lesson the hard way after discovering hidden mold issues in one of my projects. Number 3, apply the 70% rule strategically. This guideline helps you determine the maximum price to pay for a property. You simply multiply the ARV by 70% and then subtract your estimated repair costs. This ensures that you leave enough room for potential profit after selling. Remember, while this rule is a great starting point, be flexible based on market conditions. Number 4, factor in neighborhood dynamics. The surroundings of your property can dramatically influence its value. Analyze school quality, crime rates, and proximity to amenities like shopping and parks. Future development plans can also play a huge role. Upcoming infrastructure projects might boost your property's appeal, so keep an eye on local developments. Number 5, use property appraisal tools. Leverage technology to gain insights into property values and market trends. Automated valuation models can give you quick estimates of ARV based on current data. Just remember, these tools should complement your analysis, not replace it. Number 6, regularly update your market knowledge. Stay informed about local trends by subscribing to real estate newsletters and networking with other investors. Market conditions can shift rapidly, and staying up to date helps refine your evaluation skills and adapt to changes. Number 7, consult with real estate professionals. Experienced agents or appraisers bring invaluable insights into current market conditions and can help validate your ARV calculations. Building a reliable network of experts ensures you make well-informed decisions every step of the way. Now that you've got the tools to evaluate ARV effectively, beware of common pitfalls that can derail even the best-laid plans. Watch out for hidden costs creeping up on you or underestimating the market's potential. The real estate landscape can change in an instant, leaving unprepared investors scrambling. For more insights and resources tailored to your real estate journey, visit GrowthSense.com. Our platform connects you with distressed and rehab properties while providing valuable data for accurate ARV assessments. Don't let uncertainty hold you back. Empower yourself with the knowledge to thrive in real estate.